Hello everyone, and welcome to this tutorial on creating a virtual machine in Azure. Let's start by opening your web browser. In the address bar, type portal.azure.com and press Enter. Log into the Azure portal using your Azure account credentials. Once you're on the Azure dashboard, find the search bar at the top of the screen. Type in Virtual Machines. From the search results, select Virtual Machines under the Services heading. You're now on the Virtual Machines page. Click on the +Create button, then select Azure Virtual Machine from the menu. This will take you to the Create a Virtual Machine configuration page. First, choose the appropriate subscription from the Subscription drop-down. Next, select an existing resource group, or click on Create New to make a new resource group. If creating new, give it a name and click on OK. Now, enter a name for your virtual machine in the Virtual Machine name field. This should be descriptive and unique. Choose a suitable region for your virtual machine. In Availability options, you can choose a redundancy setting. Select an image that is going to be your base for the new virtual machine. Here, I will choose Windows 10 Pro. Scroll down to the Size option. This dictates the amount of computing resources. In Administrator Account section, type in a username and then a password for your account. Make sure that the password conforms to the given requirements. Click the Allow Selected Ports option and choose RDP for Remote Desktop Access. Click on Next, Disks. You can choose different disk types and sizes here. Let's keep the default Premium SSD and OS disk size at 125 GB for this tutorial. Click on Next, Networking. Here you can configure network interface, public IPs, and related security policies. We will leave it to default for now. Click through the Management, Monitoring, and Advanced tabs. We won't modify these sections for now. Click on Next, Tags. You can add any relevant tags here. For this example, we will leave the tags blank. Finally, click on Review + Create to review your configuration. Review the VM details and then click Create. Azure will now deploy your virtual machine. This might take a few minutes. You will see the deployment in progress. This will take a few minutes. Deployment is complete. Now click on Go to Resource. You are now on the virtual machine page. Click on Connect and then select Connect via RDP. Click on Download RDP file. Open the downloaded RDP file. A warning message pops up. Click on Connect. Type the username you entered before followed by the password. Then click OK. A final warning might pop up. If so, click Yes and wait for the initial setup. You will see different privacy options here. We will press Accept and move along. It will take a few seconds to start up. Initial setup, it will take some time. After Windows does the initial setup, you will see the new virtual machine. It should be working like a normal Windows PC. You can access File Explorer from the taskbar or by pressing Win+E. Click on the This PC tab and check the drives. That's it. You have successfully created a Windows 10 VM on Azure. Close the remote desktop session by clicking on the Closing X button in the top right corner of the screen. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please consider subscribing to the channel and leaving a like. It helps me out a lot. See you in the next video.